Guys, other than Bitcoin and Ethereum, the third most popular cryptocurrency is Dogecoin. Guys, Elon Musk and the loyal community behind Dogecoin has pushed Dogecoin to extreme levels, and this is just the beginning. Guys, Elon Musk will do anything to make Dogecoin the future currency of Earth and planet Mars. I believe he will. So the popularity of Dogecoin is increasing day by day, and it's attracting new investors from all over the world. In case if you're planning to invest on Dogecoin, then this is the right time to invest on Dogecoin or any other cryptocurrencies. Guys, cryptocurrency is once in a lifetime opportunity. No guys, it's once in a human race opportunity. This will take human race to the next level. So now to invest on cryptocurrencies, you need some type of cryptocurrency platforms. And these cryptocurrency platforms are also known as exchanges. Guys, in India, there's a lot of cryptocurrency exchanges like Wazirx, Binance, CoinSwitch, Kuber, Zeppay, etc. etc. So out of all this, the best cryptocurrency exchange in India right now is Wazirx. Wazirx is the India's most trusted and number one cryptocurrency exchange. So by using Wazirx, you can buy, sell or trade cryptocurrencies. Guys, if you don't have a Wazirx account, then I'll leave a Wazirx link in the description of this video. So click on that link and create your new Wazirx account. And I've also made a tutorial video on my channel on how to properly create a Wazirx account. So I'll leave that video link in the description of this video. So after watching this video, click on that link, watch that video and create a new Wazirx account. Okay guys, now once after creating your Wazirx account, the next step is to add money to your Wazirx wallet. You can either use UPI method, P2P method or net banking to deposit money to your Wazirx account. Guys, I've already made videos on all these three deposit methods. So I'll leave those three video links in the description of this video. So you can check out that and you can use any method to deposit money to your Wazirx wallet. Okay guys, now I'll show you how to buy and sell Dogecoin on Wazirx. Okay guys, now once you deposit money, it will be displayed here. Now to buy Dogecoin, go on to the market section. Now click on this Dogecoin. Now the current price of Dogecoin is 16.77 rupees. Now down below you'll find an option called buy and sell. So click on this option. Now here you'll have the buy option and next to this you'll have the sell option. So to buy, click on the buy option. Now here just enter the number of Dogecoins which you're willing to purchase. And in my wallet I have 107 rupees. Now if I want to buy only Dogecoins for 100 rupees, then just click on this 100%. So for this 107 rupees, I'm getting like 6 Dogecoins. Now guys, the current price of one Dogecoin is 16.75 rupees. Now if you want to buy one Dogecoin for 15 rupees, then set the price at 15 rupees. Now click on this buy option and slide this to confirm your purchase. Now what happens is the current price is 16.7 rupees. So if the price falls to 15.7 rupees, then automatically it will purchase the Dogecoins. So now if you want to purchase Dogecoins at current price, which is about 16.7 rupees, then enter the same price here and click on the buy option and slide this to confirm your purchase. So yeah guys, I've successfully purchased Dogecoins for 100 rupees. You can see here 100 rupees has been deducted from my Wazirx wallet. So now once you buy Dogecoins, it will be displayed here and whenever you buy, the number keeps on adding here. Okay guys, now I'll show you how to sell your Dogecoins. Now go to the market section, click on Dogecoin. Click on buy and sell option. Here next to buy option, you'll have this sell option. So click on that. Now just enter how many coins you want to sell or just click on this 25%, 50%, 75% or 100%. So right now in my account, I have like 718 Dogecoins. So if I select 100%, then 100% of my Dogecoins will be displayed here. And if I select 50%, then 50% of my Dogecoins will be displayed here. Now to sell this, click on the sell option and swipe to confirm. Now the price of one Dogecoin is at 16.7 rupees. And if you want to sell this at 17.7 rupees or higher, then increase the price here and click on the sell option and swipe to confirm. So when the price of Dogecoin increases, then your order will get executed. Now to see your placed orders, click on this orders option. So if you have placed any orders, then it will be displayed here, and if you want you can cancel this also, and when the orders get executed, then it will be displayed here under history. So yeah guys, this is a view buy and sell Dogecoin on Wazirx. Guys, in the description of this video I have given the Wazirx link. So if you want to create a new Wazirx account, then just click on that link and create your new Wazirx account. And guys, while creating your Wazirx account, please use my referral code. And guys, if you want to talk to me personally, then you can contact me on my Instagram account. Okay guys, now if you have any doubts regarding this topic, then leave a comment down below in the comment section. Okay guys, I hope this video has helped you. If so, then please do drop a like on this video. And guys, on this channel I make all YouTube growth related videos, Instagram and cryptocurrency related videos. So if you're a YouTuber, Instagrammer, and if you're looking to make money online by doing cryptocurrencies, then consider subscribing. Okay guys, now if you're a subscriber, I'll meet you in the next video. Until then, peace.